The fact that the British government, the Labour Party government, has lost the argument and has decided to to proscribe Palestine Action as a terrorist organisation is just unbelievable. And for a Labour Party government to do that as well is absolutely disgraceful. It's an abhorrent abuse of the terrorism powers in the United Kingdom. And actually what it does is it diminishes the meaning of what the Terrorism Act is. The Terrorism Act is not designed to silence people. It's designed to prevent serious loss of life. What message does it send to the British people if the state itself is deciding just to violate international law in such a clear way? It tells them that the rule of law doesn't mean anything anymore. It tells them actually something else too, which is even more dangerous, which is that the only way you can have a resolution to your problems is to use violence. That's what Israel is doing in regards to Gaza. That's what the British government is doing. That's what the United States is doing with regards to Iran. Now, that's not right. And it tells people on the ground, well, look, the only way you're going to get your resolution, the only way you're going to be protected by law is if you take things into your own hands. And that means that law breaks down and people turn to violence. And that's not what any of us want, and it certainly doesn't keep us safe. We have what we would hope is a responsible government, and where Keir Starmer and his cabinet see that they've erred or made mistakes, we can see that they're able to make a difference or a change in policy. It tells me two things. One, it tells me that the members of the Labour Party, the MPs, the Parliamentary Labour Party, should be doing more to prevent our government from participating or being complicit in war crimes. It should be making it very clear, and why it's not doing that is something which I'm at a loss to understand. Now, if Keir Starmer himself is not listening to his parliamentary party, not listening to the people, then it's an important question. What is it that is preventing him from doing what's right, abiding by the law, and protecting people not only in the United Kingdom but also in Gaza?
Would you have a go at answering that yourself?
Well, I'd be very worried about what the answer is. I mean, I don't know what the answer is. I would suspect that it's an improper relationship with the United States and an improper relationship with the Israelis. Well, I mean, I've worked with Keir Starmer. I've instructed him as a lawyer in the past. And all I really want to say about Keir Starmer is the man that is the lawyer is not the man we're seeing as the politician. Keir Starmer has, as a lawyer, spoken about in court what genocide is and what it means. He's spoken on a platform in his personal capacity, but also as a lawyer about Palestinian rights. How is it possible that a man that's done that can get into government, get into a position of power, and then forget what all that means?